Did you know that you can actually get a Momo virtual card? Did you know? All right. So if you did not know, today you are about to know. So you can actually get into your Momo app, get a virtual card that you can use for all your online payments. And it is very easy for you to do that. So what you want to do is you want to head on to the Play Store, download the Momo app. After downloading the Momo app, sign in with your number and your MTN code. Once that is done, you are going to be led to an interface like this one you are seeing right now. And you know something, you could also recommend MTN to people and make money, all right? So you can make up to 90,000 francs referring people on MTN. 200 francs for everybody who refer. All right, so that is great. So let us go back to where if you look at your app after opening it, you're going to see various features, right? So at the top beside your profile, you're going to see something that looks like a card or a wallet, and that is where you want to go to. You could also just scroll a little bit to your right and you're going to see virtual card. All right, so you're going to see virtual card here. Now what you want to do is there is an icon down here. So mine is already activated, that is why it is showing the way it is. So here you can see it is active. So what you want to do is to click on activate virtual card. After clicking on it, you're going to receive another pop-up which is going to tell you to activate the card. You click on it again and you'll be required to pay a sum of 2,500 to 3,000 francs to MTN, which is a one-time payment. So once that is done, you come back to your application and this is what you are going to see. Your card is going to be available for use and you can immediately start using it. So I had to help someone this evening to pay for their charges on Telegram. So you need to pay a little fee for you to use Telegram now. So these are some of the problems or some of the things that we need to know in the 21st century. Cryptocurrencies are growing, online payments or things being done online are increasing. So one day you're going to need a card, one day you're going to need a cryptocurrency. So why don't you learn all of these things? So if you want to learn all of these things and if you want to get more tips like this, you can simply join our Telegram channel, you can join our WhatsApp channel, and you can simply follow us here on Facebook, and you can also subscribe here on YouTube. Okay, so once that is done, you can come to view card. So when I come to view card, you will see all my information on it. So I can come here to top up, I can come here to transfer, I can come here to manage my card. Right from here I could come to top up as well, as easy as that. All right, so once that is done, you're good to go. You can now start using your virtual online card and you start making your payments. So if you want to keep up with tips like this, you already know what to do. Just follow us, and I wish you all the best. May God continue to bless you all. May the universe guide, protect, and provide for you each and every step of the way. Bye bye.